Hey digital diamonds, it's time for another digital jam. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome back to Digital Healthcare Solutions, a healthcare network developed to equip, empower, and encourage a thriving digital healthcare nomad community. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the intricate world of the respiratory system. Buckle up because we're about to explore the wonders of this vital system, from its composition to its functions, associated diseases, and even the best foods to support its health. So, to begin, the respiratory system is a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to ensure our bodies receive the oxygen needed to efficiently remove carbon dioxide through the process of respiration. Composed of the lungs, airways, and various respiratory muscles, this intricate system facilitates the exchange of gases crucial for sustaining life. As we delve into the intricacies of the respiratory system, it's essential to understand the remarkable journey air takes from inhalation to exhalation. When we breathe in, air enters the body through the nose or mouth, traveling down the trachea and branching into smaller airways called bronchi. These bronchi further divide into even smaller tubes known as bronchioles, ultimately leading to tiny air sacs called alveoli. It is within these microscopic structures that the magic of gas exchange occurs. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream through the thin walls of the alveoli, binding with hemoglobin in red blood cells to be transported throughout the body. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular metabolism, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be expelled during exhalation. What's more, the respiratory system is not isolated, it is closely connected with other bodily systems. The cardiovascular system collaborates with the respiratory system to ensure efficient transportation of oxygenated blood to tissues and the removal of carbon dioxide. Additionally, the nervous system plays a pivotal role in regulating breathing patterns and responding to changes in oxygen and carbon dioxide levels to maintain the delicate balance required for optimal physiological function. Yes, indeedy. The respiratory system is an amazing biological marvel that effortlessly manages the breathing process, ensuring our bodies get vital oxygen and effectively expel harmful waste gases. This intricate dance showcases how our bodily systems are interconnected, underscoring the importance of respiratory health for the human body's overall well-being. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's delve into the purpose of this magnificent system. Simply put, the respiratory system serves as our body's life support system. Its primary goal is to ensure a constant supply of oxygen, which is crucial for the production of energy through cellular respiration. Beyond these roles, the respiratory system plays a vital role in speech and vocalization. The intricate coordination of muscles and structures involved in breathing contributes to our ability to communicate and express ourselves. Fun fact: Number 1, the respiratory system is also known as the pulmonary system. Okay, that might be factually correct, but certainly not a knee slapper for fun nor jaw-dropping. Let's try fun fact number 2. The right lung is actually larger than the left lung, and the left lung actually has an indentation called the cardiac impression, and that the indentation exists in order to accommodate the heart. Okay, that was interesting, but we still have one more fact to make you think. Here it is. Did you know that the lungs are the only human organs that can actually float in water? Well, it's true. As referenced previously, each lung is composed of around 300 million tube-like air sacs known as alveoli, and it is these structures that enable the lungs to float when filled with air. Even if we exhale with all our might, our lungs will always retain about 1 liter of air in the airways, making them the sole human organ capable of floating on water. Adding to this fascinating fact, it's surprisingly challenging to stay afloat in water without your lungs being filled with air. Picture the chest cavity's lungs acting like air balloons, providing the buoyancy that keeps you effortlessly floating on the water's surface. It's like having your own built-in flotation devices. And this is the reason why floating isn't a universal skill. It varies based on individual body density and the capacity to displace sufficient water for buoyancy. Individuals with smaller or more muscular body types often face challenges in staying afloat. This is due to the fact that fat, being less dense than muscle and bones, has a greater tendency to float, making it more challenging for those with lower body fat percentages or more muscle mass to actually float. Okay, moving on. As our adventure continues, we explore the key players in the respiratory concerto. The lungs continue to take center stage, with the right lung consisting of 3 lobes and the left lung having 2 lobes to accommodate the heart. Surrounding the lungs are the pleurae, which is a double-layered membrane providing lung protection and lubrication. As we wrap up our examination of the respiratory system, it is abundantly clear that the respiratory system not only maintains our physical health, but also plays a role in influencing the way we express ourselves. The act of breathing, which we would all agree is crucial for sustaining life, delicately threads through our spoken words, emphasizing the intimate connection between our physical well-being and our ability to express ourselves. Because we have navigated through a few of the complexities of the respiratory system, we must also be aware of the challenges the respiratory system may face. Several diseases and conditions can impact its functionality. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also commonly referenced as COPD, along with asthma, pneumonia, and lung cancer, are among the most prevalent. So let's start with COPD. COPD is characterized by persistent inflammation and airflow obstruction in the lungs, frequently triggered by the inhalation of harmful particles, particularly present in tobacco smoke. While keeping in mind, COPD encompasses a collection of diseases that also cause airflow blockage and breathing-related problems such as chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Additionally, other factors such as environmental pollutants and occupational exposures can also contribute to COPD. In contrast, asthma manifests through recurrent episodes marked by wheezing, breathlessness, and chest tightness. It constitutes a persistent condition affecting the air passages, featuring inflammation and constriction of the airways. Asthma symptoms encompass shortness of breath, coughing, and wheezing. Typically emerging during childhood, asthma is frequently linked with conditions like eczema and hay fever. Pneumonia, which varies in severity, is characterized as a lung infection resulting from bacteria, viruses, or fungi. This condition induces inflammation in the air sacs, leading to breathing difficulties and potential complications. The infection triggers inflammation in the air sacs, causing them to fill with fluid or pus, which slow down the passage of oxygen into the bloodstream. To clarify, in cases of bacterial pneumonia, the contagious period typically persists for approximately 48 hours after initiating antibiotic treatment and the resolution of fever. On the contrary, viral pneumonia's contagious period diminishes as symptoms, especially fever, subside. However, it's essential to note that pneumonia caused by fungi is not contagious at all. And then there's lung cancer, a type of cancer formed in tissues of the lung, commonly found in the line of the air passages, as a result of uncontrolled cell growth in the lungs, poses a significant threat to respiratory health. This disease is characterized by a new and unfamiliar persistent cough that does not go away, coupled with possibly coughing up blood, chest pain, and shortness of breath. We think it's pretty obvious by now. However, if you are asking yourself, why should we invest time in understanding the intricacies of the respiratory system? Well, understanding the respiratory system allows one to appreciate the delicate balance required for optimal health. It empowers us to make informed lifestyle choices that positively impact our breathing and overall well-being. Whether it's avoiding smoking, staying physically active, or recognizing the symptoms of respiratory conditions early on, knowledge is our greatest ally. Also, a solid understanding of the respiratory system could be the foundation upon which further knowledge is built. Okay, so, as we conclude our journey, let's explore the culinary delights that can contribute to a healthy respiratory system. Just as a well-maintained instrument produces beautiful music, a well-nourished body supports optimal respiratory function. When making dietary decisions, consider the vibrant array of fruits and vegetables, each color signifying a distinct nutrient that contributes to overall well-being. Fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, play a pivotal role in supporting lung health. Berries, abundant in anthocyanins and vitamin C, act as defenders against oxidative stress. Citrus fruits enhance the immune system, while leafy greens provide a chlorophyll-rich elixir for respiratory vitality. And crisp bell peppers supply a variety of nutrients that fortify the lungs and improve lung function. Now, let's delve into the realm of protein, a noteworthy source of omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon. Beyond benefiting heart health, salmon has demonstrated the ability to ease breathing for individuals with COPD. But that's not all. Let's not overlook the respiratory-friendly anti-inflammatory properties found in flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3s play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation, enhancing airflow, and overall improving lung function. In the world of spices, turmeric emerges as a vibrant force thanks to its active compound, curcumin. With anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, turmeric provides protective support to the respiratory system, while garlic not only has culinary appeal but also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that support the immune system in maintaining a healthy respiratory tract. And then there's green tea, packed with antioxidants associated with improved lung function and a lower risk of respiratory conditions. The polyphenol, especially catechins, in green tea provide a gentle cleansing and invigorating effect on the respiratory pathways. So, as you savor the delicate notes of green tea, you're not just enjoying a soothing beverage, you're nurturing your lungs with a cup of respiratory resilience. As we wrap up our culinary exploration, let's not overlook the simplest yet essential element. Can you guess what it is? You got it, water. Staying well hydrated is like maintaining the fluidity of a musical composition. Water is the hydrating symphony that supports the mucous membranes lining the respiratory tract. Adequate hydration ensures these delicate membranes stay moist and functional, facilitating smooth air passage and optimizing the respiratory process. So, let's raise a glass to the clear, refreshing notes of water, the unsung hero of respiratory well-being. In the grand finale of our culinary and respiratory journey, remember that the choices we make in the kitchen echo throughout our body, creating a harmonious melody of health. So, cheers to a healthy respiratory system. Well, until next time, and as always, we hope and trust this information will be used and shared as a valuable tool as you strive to be a digital diamond. But no matter what you do, remember, because you strive to be a digital diamond, you read everything, your knowledge is broad and expansive, you attract success, and you create the life that you want to live. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel and being part of the digital healthcare nomad community. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us create more great videos for you.